Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of Aviat Networks, a leader in wireless transport and access solutions. With a remarkable 28.1% revenue increase in fiscal Q4 2024, Aviat is making significant strides in the industry. Join us as we explore their strategic initiatives, financial performance, and what it means for investors like you. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
Aviat Networks reported a strong fiscal Q4 2024 with a 28.1% increase in revenue, reaching $116.7 million. The company achieved a non-GAAP gross margin of 35.9% and an adjusted EBITDA of $11.9 million. Aviat's strategic acquisitions and innovative product offerings have positioned it well in the market, with a focus on private networks, 5G, and rural broadband. The company provided strong guidance for fiscal 2025, expecting revenue between $450 to $490 million and adjusted EBITDA of $46 to $52 million.
Financial performance. What was the total revenue for the current quarter, and how does it compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The total revenue for the current quarter was $160.7 million, representing a 28.1% increase compared to the same period last year. The previous quarter's revenue was not specified in the article.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP earnings per share (EPS), and how do they compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The GAAP earnings per share (EPS) for the current quarter was 2 cents, while the non-GAAP EPS was 0.72 cents. Comparisons with the previous quarter were not specified, but the non-GAAP EPS for the same period last year was not provided.
Operational efficiency. What were the GAAP and non-GAAP gross margins for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
The GAAP gross margin for the current quarter was 35.3%, and the non-GAAP gross margin was 35.9%. Comparisons with previous periods were not specified.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter were $10,985,000 for research and development and $2,359,000 for selling and administrative expenses. Non-GAAP operating expenses were $10,844,000 for research and development and $20,430,000 for selling and administrative expenses. Comparisons with previous periods were not specified.
Cash flow and financial health. What are the key points of the balance sheets?
Key points of the balance sheet include cash and marketable securities increasing to $64.6 million, a net cash position of $16.3 million, and improvements in DSOs and inventory turns.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
Aviat Networks completed the acquisition of 4RF, expanding its wireless access segment and creating cross-selling opportunities. The acquisition strengthens Aviat's offerings in private network industrial access.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
For fiscal 2025, Aviat Networks expects revenue between $450 to $409 million and adjusted EBITDA of $46 to $52 million.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, What is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
Aviat Networks demonstrated strong financial performance with significant revenue growth and profitability. The company's strategic acquisitions and innovative product offerings have positioned it well for future growth, particularly in private networks, 5G, and rural broadband markets.
That's all for today's analysis of Aviat Networks' impressive fiscal Q4 2024 performance. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stockwatch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think Aviat is a strong investment opportunity right now. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.